You guys would like that, wouldn't you? Alright, M13. What are these? What are these? We don't want... We want... What the shit? Oh, God. That's what I thought I was. Armor-piercing rounds. Whatever's got the best penetration. Just barely. Whatever. Alright, so it's King of the Hill. Whoa. Alright. Only Cap A. King of the Hill. Alright, so we're going in. Well, you guys requested the M13 first. That one got the most... So let's see, they're gonna be racing around there first. Oh God. Trucks only, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, go, 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 go. And it is on realistic battles, so this should be fun. SDKFC 6-2 in front of us. We got some M16s. Covering fire. Oh, oh, look at that. We got a kill. That's right. Now, yeah, that was that from artillery or from our guns? I don't know, man. I think that was definitely from our guns. Covering fire. We gotta get up to the hill. Don't cap B. Jeez, man. Alright, good. They're not. It looked like it. So this is King of the Hill. Looks like I'm leading the charge, so I'll probably be first one to die once we get up there and there's enemies like in our faces. But that you gotta lead by example, you know? Oh shit, incoming fire. Tat 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 tat. Oh God, this is gonna be rough. What the shit? This guy's just unloading right here once he reloads. Or right now, whatever. We don't have the gun depression. We can't do it. Let's charge. Oh gosh, artillery's going off right here. That's terrible timing. Now, shouldn't the enemy be over here? Oh shit! Terrible time to die. It's always a terrible time to die. Wow. Oh my gosh, we got wrecked by artillery. Perfect timing on that. We gotta take one of the other routes. But we did get a kill, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. Now let's try the M16. This thing's gonna wreck house. We don't want default, we want these armor-piercing rounds. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a new subscriber. Mr. Derpish Bird has just joined the party. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for the support. Welcome to the party. Everyone in the chat, give a nice little salute and a little sub-hype to Mr. Derpish Bird as we push forward in the trucks-only game. Tat 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 tat. No hits. No lucky kill that time. I mean, skilled kill. Let's be honest here. Murica is right, dude. This is American trucks. We do have artillery. We've captured the top, so they're gonna have to counterattack. So as long as I can get up there, or even just like defend the perimeter, would be fun. Look at just the 50s going off. Oh, a 75mm gun carriage took someone out. M13s, M16s. M16 just blew up. Now, who to shoot at? Here we go. There was a guy there. Where are they? Oh, look at that. Come on. Someone's got to pop out there. Artillery going off. Where is everybody? Are they capping? Is there really a fight to the death up there? I gotta get up there then. Douche, 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 douche. Alright, we got an M16 sighted. Oh, we got a couple people sighted. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, that's a friend. We got bumped by someone. Oh, shit, oh, shit, oh, shit. I didn't even see where that was coming from. Let's see if we can't get up here and unload on them. Damn it, the hill. Alright, let's push forward. Try to retake this hill. We gotta get into a higher gear before we try to traverse a bit. Oh man, our team's getting wrecked up here. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're trying it anyway. No! The artillery, man. Oh shit! Don't hit my engine. I think we're gonna make it. Oh my god, we made it. Attention, gun breach. I don't know if it's all of them or just one of them. Get wrecked! Oh my god, did we kill him too? No, we got an assist. We gotta come from the other way. That way is just too perilous. Alright, now let's try the 75 from this way. This is gonna be tough because we don't have the turret traverse rate. Thanks, Derpish Bird, man, I appreciate it. Alright. Oh, yeah. Wait, this was not what I thought I was taking out, but we'll use it anyway. Oh man, from the front, this thing's just herped the dirt. Shit. This thing's gonna be hard to use. Gotta rotate it this way. And just hope we can run past the snipers. Oh shit, watch out for tank tracks. Tank traps. Alright. So they have A. I think we're retaking it. American trucks, we'd lost our guy. Oh shit! Ambush. Damn. That wrecked a couple people. The M16 is probably the best truck for this type of event. This one could be good. It's just a matter of can we get in a spot where we can shoot at them, because not being able to shoot really in front of you is a problem. Maybe we can hold this spot down, huh? Oh man, what is that? Are they shooting from behind us? I don't know what to do here, boys. I don't know if this is a good idea or a terrible idea. Oh shit. Oh, tits! Where did that come from? Behind us? We got flanked. And that gun, or that truck sucks, man. We're going back to the M16. We'll try that again. Our team's got the hill. We made it kind of far, and there's a nice push, so I should be able to follow them up. Trucks, man. So, I cannot wait for armored cars. Look at that 37, though. I love that 37. Armored cars would be so appreciated in this game. And there's a lot of cool ones. I think, like, why? They need to have a Puma in here. Hostile team is capturing A. We're going to drop artillery on it then. And hopefully that does something. And now we can actually shoot decently in front. Not as good as we can on the sides, but should be good enough. We got one hit with our artillery. Aside from... Oh shit, we're taking fire. See that? Enemy kill assist, we'll take it. Now we'll follow this guy. Just keep going, buddy. We gotta keep going. Oh yeah, I forgot you can go down that way. Good, we've got one guy trying to cut him off. Two guys, looks like. That's how that guy like flanked around me. I would imagine. When is Navy? Dude, I don't know when War Thunder Navy is, but I cannot wait for it. I've been having so much fun in World of Warships. Oh shit. Oh, that guy got wrecked. But see, the gun depression on this thing is shit. Because it's supposed to be shooting down aircraft. You'd be surprised to know. Let's see what happens if we get up here. Oh my god. What's up, buddy? Baron, you need to get the kills. You're telling me, man. We ain't got no kills yet. I mean, not very many. Yeah, see, look, we can't even look down that alley. It actually is more advantageous to be low. Oh my god, please don't fall off. Let's just get in the cap. Screw this. Going the unsafe ways. Trying to be daring. Alright. No one's capping? No, I guess it's hard to cap with artillery incoming. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Let's see if we can't. Can we get him? Oh god. I've pressed the wrong button. There we go. Let's pull this guy out of here. Oh, we're encountering artillery fire. Pull him up. Pull him up, yes. Perfect. We just saved him. Alright, now I'm waiting for them to come this way and just... Oh, that artillery is still messing me up. Oh, he just died. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Enemy kill assist, we'll take it. There's definitely a guy back there. Shit. We got flanked. No way. Where was our support, man? They all abandoned. Look at that guy. Just got shot right through the spinal column. Alright. Let's try... Who's capping B? We're gonna try over here this time. Okay, good. They just run through it. Maybe take up an advanced position. Because we are low on the totem pole here. Trucks only. Oh shit. That guy's dead. I think he got hit with a 75. 75 HE would do pretty good. Alright, we're slowly capping. I think we're gonna counterattack right now. Come after them as they're trying to get up there. Dude, happy birthday then, man. Getting a computer for your birthday is a great present. You'll be able to play the games. Where's this guy? Let's get a little higher. Oh shit. Oh my god. We got scoped out, man. Let's try this again. We hit him. We hit him a few times, but we were on the go, so nothing was very accurate. See ya, simp. Good night, Jaylander. Why are we doing so badly? We're just not very Murica, you know? God, that... There we go. Vengeance is mine, friend. Alright. Now, who do we want to shoot at? Need to find new targets. Looks like there's something going on over here. Oh my god, the air... Oh! I didn't even see that. Oh, it was a friendly. Vending machines. What are you doing? Being cute vending? Da, 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 da. Oh wow, we got someone like right up here. Let's go kill him. Charge! We're gonna die. Oh yeah! Oh shit! We're definitely dead. Alright, good. Yes! We may die, but we're gonna take some of these guys down with us. Use the fire extinguishers, man! Dude, we're getting wrecked by 50 cal. We got a couple kills right there. We finally got up into the fight near the end there. Our team's owning the hill. King of the Hill is going our way. Oh, man. I like the custom battle idea. I think what we should do is reserve tier King of the Hill next. That would be pretty fun. Or save that at some point. I have a sub button, Mr. Salty Fries. I do indeed. Alright, let's go, boys. Charge. Shit. Get those lucky hits. Nope. There's a hit. We'll take it right in the engine. Oh god. What was that? P-47 got shot down, man. He didn't even do anything. Oh, they're capping it though. Drop the artillery. Nope, don't have any. Shit. Hits. Some more hits. Just nothing critical. There we go. An enemy kill assist. We'll take it. Push forward. We have not. Man, I thought we were gonna win right there. We got 2 minutes left to cap. I've got only 5 kills. Back. Oh shit. Oh shit. Reverse. Hide behind him. Hide behind this guy. It's a fucking ambush, man. Oh, there's a hit. Reload. Oh, they've captured it. Shit. Reloading is taking its time. Let's drop artillery on that area. Yes. We gotta use fire extinguishers. There's an M16 right over there. Hopefully it doesn't see the 3 of us right here. Oh shit. Oh god, that's not good. That guy just wrecked through 3 trucks, man. All of us were damaged. And they've taken the hill now. What up, head chopper? We're trying to retake that hill, boy. Alright, let's get back in this fight. We gotta retake the damn hill? That's gonna be hard. Oh shit. Damn. Alright. Once we sight them, I got them down. We got 7. I want to get to 10 kills. That'll be my goal. Oh shit. Oh shit. Enemy kill assist. Oh god. Who's this? Pull back. Shit, we couldn't pull back. Did we get the kill? We didn't even get the kill. We got 3.7 right here. Look at this shot. Let's see what happened. Right through it. Oh god, just killed everybody right there. Douche, douche, douche. I'm wondering what the best trucks are, because the M16 is good. It's got a really good fire rate. What the tits is this? Let's shoot this thing down. Enemy, we are getting assists for days over here. And it looks like we're closing in on Alpha right now. Let's see if we can't get some. Look at that, they're charging. No! Yep, I got a kill right there. And then I caught on fire immediately, so we got up to 8 kills. Man! Alright, how many? 8 assists and 9 deaths. We definitely died and assisted a lot more than we killed. Let's see, leading kills. Oh my god. 25 kills. Was this the guy in the 3.7? Because clearly that was the better choice. Which was surprising. My goodness. 25 kills. I don't know what he used though. Guys in the chat, what did ECAC use? Because that is clearly the vehicle of choice.